Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one Panasonic washing machine, brand wise Panasonic. The problem customer we can on the machine, but machine we can select everything, but drum not rotating. We have to check properly what is the exactly problem with the motor, otherwise carbon brush, everything we have to check. We can select the dry option everything, but dry option the heater and everything working, but only the problem with the motor not rotating. We have to check the motor properly, what is the problem. We will check the motor, after that we can decide what we can do, and we will check the motor now. Now I'm going to on the power switch in the machine. I'm already given power connection, and now I'm going to select only the spin cycle. Now I select only direct spin, and it's showing 1000 rpm, blinking 1000 rpm. The remaining time is showing 12 minutes. Now I'm start the machine. You can hear the noise, you can hear the noise, already door lock. Now spring indication is working continuously. Red motor also working, but PCB I can hear the noise also. Contactor, but motor not rotating. This is the problem. We have to remove the motor and we have to check whether any motor connector, power connector damage or something else. Because of that we have to remove the machine. This is the complaint. It's also not showing any error message. If it is showing error message, we can troubleshoot the problem. Now we have to check everything, because the error message also not showing. Now we have to remove the back cover, and we will check the motor first. After that we can decide what we can do. We remove the top cover and we will check the harness. But look like no any damage, nothing. We will remove the back cover also. And we remove the back cover. We already removed the back cover. Now we have to check the motor connection. If any contactor damage, connector damage or no. And look like no any damage. And we will remove the motor. We remove already motor. We will take it out. Now we have to check properly what is the problem, carbon brush and everything. That brush already is okay, no any problem. We will remove the other one also. That brush also okay. Now our doubt already clear. It's not the motor problem. Brush already okay. Now what I'm going to do, I having same brand Panasonic good washing machine motor. Now I will check with that if it is working or not, because that is working condition motor, same motor, Panasonic brand. We are fixing again carbon brushes. Now already fixed the carbon brush. I having another motor. That motor is new one. This is for another work I bought to the workshop for the I have to fix for another machine. Now this one also Panasonic. The connector, everything's okay. Now I'm going to fix this good motor, new one for the machine, and we will check. After that we can find out the problem, whether motor or not. If it is not working, we have to check the power control box. Now I already fixed the motor, new one, because I have to check if it is working. Problem with the other motor, otherwise control board, we have to check both. Now I'm going to fix. I already fixed this one. Now I'm going to check. Give him power and we will check power. And again selecting only the direct spin. I select only the direct spin and I will start the machine. Now already spin indicator, it's continuously working, but motor not rotating. Motor not rotating. Now we have to check the power control box and we will check properly. Now I'm going to remove the power control box. Now we remove the front panel and we will check any look like no any damage, nothing, no any burning, but anyway we have to check the control board properly. And here front side no any problem, but we will remove and check what is the problem. We can check, we have to remove anyway. This is power switch. The starting post and power, but no any problem. I will remove here also. The two PCBs are together, and display and main control board. And already we removed the control board. Here some burnings mark. Yes, it's burned already. Here it's burning. You can see properly. It's burning already here also here. Now we clear. We don't have any doubt. No problem with the main control board. We will try to remove the control board and we will try to repair. Okay, we removed now. And now we can take it out. This one burned already. We will try to repair this one. Now I'm going to repair the PCB, and we will try, we can repair. Now we will soldering here, and we will check if it is working. But here having but look like no any issue. Anyway, we will remove that one also. Now look like this one only the indicator only, but no any problem. Anyway, we will check. Here this one no any problem. Yeah, that one only that before burning, that because of that only here only the no any damage problem only here. We will try to repair this one after we will fix and check. This path already gone, and we can repair this one. No problem. We will check. Now I already solved here broken path. Now we have to check with the control board. Now I have to fix the control board, and we will check if it. Now I have to check continuity here, connector, and we will check. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, okay. Now we will fix to the board, and we will check after fixing. And now we will give the connectors, all the connectors. We will fix the connectors and power control box, and when all the connectors we will fix, and after that we will check. Now I given all the connectors to the control board, and permanently, before fixing permanent, we have to check if whether motor working or not. I already given here motor connection, and we will check temporary if it is working or not. Door lock already. I'm selecting again direct spin, and we will start. Door lock already. Yes, it is working motor. Now problem with the main control board. The motor is working without any problem. Now we have to fix the motor to the machine, and we will check with the water everything. After that we can deliver to the customer. Now I already fixed the panel with the body, and now I'm fixing with the machine. After that we will give the power connection and water connection, everything we will check finally before hand over to the customer. Now I'm fixing top cover also. Now I already fixed the motor, everything perfect. Now I'm given also water connection to the final checking. Now I'm going to check the washing machine with the water. Now I power on. I'm going to select any small option for the checking. We will select rapid 15. Yes, I select rapid 15. This is only for the checking. I selected. It's showing 15 minutes. Door lock already. So water taken to the machine. Water taken to the machine now. Yes, you can see the rotating drum. Now my job is completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.